All right, welcome to learning how to use GoFormative.com. GoFormative.com, you can see in the bar up here at the top, is where we will do most of our warm-ups. This will be a daily thing. It's a way to check in. It requires you to do your daily warm-up. You will do it on a piece of notebook paper, but submit your answers on GoFormative. So how you get logged in the top right-hand corner here, you will see the word login. So you don't do anything on the screen besides go to the login in the top right-hand corner. We'll have you log in with your Google account. I have lots of people on this, have used my iPad last year, so I will click me. And you'll notice instantly I've already joined a class, but it will prompt you to join a class. And it says join and you enter a code. So you may have classes on here from last year, but every block of mine has a different access code. So you'll have to specifically look at the announcements for your class as what is your class access code to enter in here. But once you've entered in the code, it will say join Mara Campbell's class, and you'll notice as soon as you go on, it will show you warm-ups on that screen. They are dated, so typically we'd want to do those in order of the date. The reason there's two dates on these is because the first date is my purple class or your A day class, and the second date is the B day class or your gold day. So this is my warm-up I use for gold and purple and gold days, but you just click the open button. It will take you to a warm-up with some questions. You'll do your questions on a separate sheet of paper and then enter the number answer response. If it's not asking for just a specific number, then it will have more specific directions on how to enter that. Like if it's an ordered pair or something, how do I enter that? If you just click on the box, and the answer to this one is -1. So we'll hit -1. And then I'll go to the next question. At the top of your page, you can see under the number 1 at the top left, it turned green. So I know that that is the correct answer for number 1. So let's say on letter number 2 here, I said it was 5A, let's say, plus 11B, okay? If I return, or click to the next one, if you go and you look at number 2, you can see Miss Campbell missed that one. So I got number 1 right, but I instantly see I got number 2 wrong. So maybe I could go back and change that. Let's see, where was my mistake? Let's see, it looks like it's -4B plus 7B. So that would be plus 3B, okay? Look, it now shows that I got that one correct. So if you do get it wrong, you can go back and check your mistakes and try and work through your mistake to get it correct, okay? The last one, let's say I did the distributing, I solved, I get everything done, and I said the answer is 5. Okay, let's see. Oh, it says the answer is not 5. So I would need to go back and work through. If I am out of time and I can't seem to find my mistakes, we obviously want you to work through to find your mistake, but if you can't find your mistake, then you can go ahead and submit and say, are you sure you want to submit? And there you go. Exit the assignment. It would show you that you got 2 out of the 3 responses correct by looking at it. And then when we go back over it on class, you could just click on it to see, okay, well, I need help on the last one. That's the one I got wrong. And when you click back on it, it does show you that the correct answer was 3 down there. So it does, after you submit it, will tell you the correct answer if you can work back and figure out why was the answer that. So this is GoFormative.com. This is what we will use daily for our warm-ups.